Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Dominaria United. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Bite Down, followed by Smash to Dust, Crystal Grotto, Florfarious Vine Wall, Salvaged Mana Worker, Aggressive Sabotage, Tidepool Turtle, Vanquisher's Axe, Argivian Phalanx, Lightning Strike, Join Forces, Frostfist Strider, Rona Shieldred's Faithful. Then we have Defiler of Instinct for 2 red. We have a 4/4 Phyrexian Kavu creature with first strike, and like all the other Defilers, as an additional cost to cast red permanent spells, you may pay 2 life. Those spells cost 1 red less to cast if you pay the life this way. This effect reduces only the amount of red mana you pay. And whenever you cast a red permanent spell, Defiler of Instinct deals 1 damage to any target. I believe we have talked about this Defiler already. At this point, it's probably been a month, maybe even longer. And it really falls flat. This is probably, in my opinion, the worst Defiler of the cycle. Casting a red permanent deals 1 damage to any target. I don't know how you would balance that to make it better without just being completely busted, but it just doesn't feel good when green is getting +1/+1 counters on every other creature, when white is making 1/1 tokens, red is pinging. To make it in line with the green Defiler, it would need to do 1 damage for every creature you control. Or, I don't know how you would balance it against the white, since tokens are a little wibbly wobbly in their board presence and their impact. But dealing just 1 damage versus having a 1/1 body, I mean, sure, those might be about equal, but I'd rather have the 1/1 token than just have 1 damage directed somewhere. I think I said it when we looked at it last time, but I would rather it be 2 or 3 damage, but that's a lot to tack on to a red permanent spell that you're already casting. Because like 2 is then you're shocking on top of whatever spell you're casting, and 3 is 3 is a lot of damage to just throw around as an add-on. So that's why I'm like, 2 would feel better, but then it just still doesn't feel as good as the green Defiler. If it was 3 damage to any target permanent, that might have worked, but overall, yeah, I don't think this is great for anything other than the cost reduction that every Defiler has. Let me know in the comments below if you think otherwise, if there is a really good use case for Defiler of Instinct, and if you think it's better than the worst of the 5 Defilers we saw in Dominaria United. Our land is a forest, and then we have a monk token to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow to crack open another pack.